Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Sea Ray 2019 320 Dancer with triple outboards, triple 250s on the back. It's a new trade that we just got in, so we're going to hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 320. Let's start at the back of the boat. It's powered by triple Mercury 250s. Plenty of power for this boat. Hops right up on plane, gives you good top end, so great engines on the back of the boat, great power. As we move into the boat, you got large storage on the back and then very large U-shaped seating here. You got a teak table that can also be dropped down and converted into a big sun pad, really nice feature. You've got the Sure Shade up here, which completely covers the seating area here, which is very, very nice. Nice prep area. We've got preparing food. You got a little bar set up, refrigerator, freezer, opposing seating. And then these seats here, either face, you can lounge facing this way or sit facing forward. And as we move to the helm area, two touchscreen SIM rads. So beautiful setup here as far as electronics, nice, neat, and clean. You've got the joystick, fantastic option. The boat can go sideways. I've got complete control of the boat with the joystick. Also has skyhook, locks you into place for waiting for a slip assignment under a bridge, whatever it may be. And also a really easy autopilot system called auto heading. So great, great feature of the boat. Down below, we've got down below the head area is full stand-up head, and also combination sleeping and dining table and a mid cabin in the back as well. As we move to the bow, one of the big features of this boat is normally on a Sundancer, this is just a bow, maybe a sun pad in the front. Now it's very, very comfortable seating up here, stereo, drink holders, speakers all up here. What a great, great feature for this boat. So it really does just about everything well. So weekender, you could even do a week on this boat as well. So if you've got any questions, would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.